Hi, welcome to Elric Watches. We are starting our video from Timex. So this is Timex watch collection. Let me show.
Elric watches, not to chase time, but to rule it. I don't run behind the clock, I make it slow. Pretikshana Elric watches, tonena do star flow. From sunrise dreams to city nights, Elric watches on my...
And this is our official Timex watch collection at Elric Watches. These watches run automatically powered by wrist movement and there is no battery required for this. Timeless design and built around the trust quality from Timex. And very limited pieces available right now. If you are looking for a classic automatic watch, there is one to check out. At Indian Times, officially collaborated with Timex, and there you go. Wish you a happy new year to all. Automatic watches, and when it come to this watch, there is in this watch we have a speciality. Let me say. First, see the mechanism and the curved glass. Around 1500 rupees worth of strap. So this is made by not mission. This is made by human, assembled with hands, every single part in the inside. And let me tell you one thing. See this watch? This is from Timex and this is my own. So wherever in India you can't get it, but in Elric watches you can get it. So finally, let me tell you one thing. In this new year, automatic watches are very huge collection. Only selected limited pieces we have. In these things, there we are going to present 3 worth of 1100 rupees perfumes. We are giving 3 perfumes for first 3 customers. One piece cost around 1100 rupees. For the first 3 customers, we are going to give who buy Timex automatic watches.
Elric watches, not to chase time.
अभी मैं बोल दिया ना,
I don't run behind the clock, I make it slow.
limited pieces
Pretikshana Elric watches,
वैसा
tonena do
बोलने
star
टाइम
flow.
पे